Hello, students. Today we are going to know about a very interesting topic. Does a big brand need you? Let us get to know about this. I know that everyone loves brands. We love to have branded stuffs. Today, everything and anything is branded, from products, personalities, corporates, to service. You can be identified with brands that represent you. Nowadays, we can find that everyone is talking about design, logos, products, prices. Now here the question that rises is, does a big brand need you? Often we go out to a store and pick up products like Coke, Pepsi, Guess, Calvin Klein, Mars bars, etc. All these brands become famous because of us only. These big companies absolutely need you. They need you to attract your friends to these services so they can charge your eyeballs to their advertisers and make money. When we are selecting those big brands, have we even thought about the non-brand name product? Does the thought ever even enter your mind as to whether or not these companies even care one bit as to if we pick them or not? Do they need you buying the product or service? But it is sure that these small brands also need you to become a big brand. Have you ever thought that why these big companies spend billions on advertising every year? Do you think that everyone has forgotten the brands like Coke or Pepsi, and the company advertises to remind their consumers about their presence? It is not like that. The reason is that they need you, and they need to keep showing you how far they have come up with their products, and why should we use it. They try to catch the view of their consumers, and their consumers, in turn, make their friends and relatives familiar with the brands and their product.